Okay, let's be honest. We've all had a moment where we needed to hide a file. Maybe it's a surprise gift idea. Maybe it's definitely not tax fraud. Either way, you need it gone from plain sight. So here's 3 genius ways to hide your secret files like a tech Naruto, ranked like a video game. Beginner, intermediate, and expert stealth mode. So let's get sneaky. Method 1, beginner. This one's for the people who still uses Internet Explorer. If that's you, please seek help. Step 1. Download 7-zip. It's free, it's lightweight, and it looks like it time traveled from Windows XP. Step 2. You right click on your folder of secrets, 7-zip, and add to archive. Step 3. In the pop-up window, scroll down to encryption, type a password, then type it again because you'll mess it up the first time. Step 4. Click OK. Now you've got a password protected zip file. To open it later, right click, extract, enter the password, and boom, now only you can access it. Method 2, intermediate. This method makes your file literally invisible to the human eye. Step 1, right click on your file, then rename. Now here's the trick. Hold Alt, type 255, then release the Alt key. This creates an invisible character. And unlike the spaced character, it is allowed when naming a folder. Step 2. Now we're going to hide the icon of the folder. Right click, click Properties and the Customize tab. Click Change Icon, scroll down, and find the icon that looks like nothing. It's blank. Now click OK, Apply. You now have a nameless, iconless ghost file. Is it there? Yes. You can open it. Can anyone find it? Hell no. Now finally, method 3. Expert. This is it, the final form, the perfected ultra instinct of file hiding, the final boss of file hiding. The holy grail that hides you from those cops that accuse you of tax fraud. You get the idea? Let's get started. Step 1, right click on your file/folder. Then click Properties. Check that little box that says Hidden. Yes, it's that easy. Now click Apply. And only apply to the folder itself, not the subfolders, nor the files. And the file is gone. It's not even moved, it's just unclickable. And it won't show up unless someone knows the exact name and searches for it manually. It's like burying your secrets in a desert and deleting the map. However, if the file is transparent instead of completely invisible, go to Files Explorer and press the 3 dots. Click Options, select the View tab, and in Hidden Files and Folders, select the option Don't Show Hidden Files, Folders, or Drives. And now it's actually invisible. This is because that you've just marked the file as hidden, just like many important system files. So unless your friends and family are tech experts or they watch this amazing video, they won't know where to look. Oh, and remember, after hiding a file, always right click and click refresh if the file is on your desktop. So there you go, zip it, ghost it, ninja vanish it, I don't care. Oh, and please like and subscribe before you leave to try this new shit you just learned. Peace. I should really fire my scripting team.